In today's video, I will walk you through how to fix overexposed photos in Adobe Photoshop. Start by choosing a photo that has been accidentally overexposed. Once your image is ready, go ahead and duplicate the background layer by pressing Command and J on your keyboard. After duplicating the layer, head up to the Filter menu and select Camera Raw Filter. This is where you'll have more control over the exposure compared to using traditional Photoshop adjustments. Inside the Camera Raw filter, move over to the panel on the right side and open the Basics section. If the Details section is open, turn that off so you can focus on the main sliders. You'll now see sliders for exposure, contrast, highlights, shadows, whites, and blacks. Since the image is overexposed, start with the exposure slider and drag it down slightly. As you lower the exposure, you should start to see more image information return. At this point, the image may look a little too dark because reducing the exposure also removes brightness from the highlights. To fix that, move down to the white slider and raise it slightly. Then increase the highlight slider a little as well, but keep it more subtle. Next, adjust the shadows slider depending on the look you want. You can move the shadows down or raise them slightly until the image looks balanced. After that, add a small amount of contrast using the contrast slider. Once all of those adjustments are in place, you can fine-tune the overall exposure again. If the image still looks slightly too dark, increase the exposure slider just a little until it feels more natural. You can also go back and make another small adjustment to the highlights or whites if needed. In this example, the highlights are brightened just a little more after the exposure is corrected. If the overexposed image has lost some color, move down to the Vibrance slider and increase it slightly. This helps bring some of the color back into the photo without overdoing it. To compare the result, toggle between the before and after view. You should now see the original overexposed image restored with better balance and detail. Once you're happy with the adjustments, apply the changes and your photo correction is complete. And that's how you can fix overexposed photos in Adobe Photoshop.